It was an easy choice. That is how Cricket West Indies lead selector Desmond Haynes views the elevation of Rovman Powell and Shea Hope to the captaincy of the T20 and 50-over teams from Nicholas Bonner, while Nkrumah Bonner is being urged to score first-class runs to regain his spot in the Test team.
Taking the reins of any West Indies team is an enviable position to have. And Jamaican Rovman Powell along with Barbadian Shea Hope on Wednesday were confirmed as the T20 and 50-over captains respectively, with the tour of South Africa their first assignments. Both deputized under former captain Nicholas Puran for just under a year, and lead selector Desmond Haynes says it was easy to make the adjustments, especially with World Cups scheduled for this year and next year.
He was very good for Jamaica. And he played very well. It didn't affect him at all, and we liked the way how he led the side in the T20, and also the way how he performed as well for the Taliban. So I think it is important for us to have the three captains now, because I believe all three of them deserve the opportunity to lead. While
Powell and Hope will have security in the regional teams for the foreseeable future, it's not the same for Jamaican Nkrumah Bonner, who was replaced in the Test squad by uncapped Alec Athanaze, despite averaging 38 and scoring a century in one of 6 matches last year. However, according to Haynes, a proactive move was made.
Obviously, Bonner struggled a little bit in the last couple of test matches that he's played, and we believe that we would like to see Bonner come back and play some more first-class games here in the Caribbean, and then get ready for India, who's coming in June.
Meanwhile, Haynes has indicated that Jamaican Brandon King has signaled his intentions to play the longest format. King, along with other predominant white ball players, were singled out by an independent panel which noted that they should get the chance to play more red ball cricket and enhance their skills. And the West Indies batting great says the 28-year-old was ready to show his hands despite having franchise commitments.
The problem with we as selectors is the fact that we've got a lot of players that we would like to include in the Test setup, and we would like to see them playing some 4-day cricket for the franchises. And he was one of them. And then he said that if the conversation was had even a lot earlier, there's a possibility that he might have stayed home and tried to play in the first 2 4-day games for Jamaica, which I thought would have been a good thing.
The Test series against South Africa bowls off on February 28, but before that, there's a 4-day tour match starting next Tuesday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.